In this video I'm gonna tell you how you can learn English through movies using the special technique. When some people try to learn English with movies, they apply subtitles. The problem is that when you're watching a movie with subtitles, you aren't practicing your listening skills. Instead, you're practicing your reading skills. This is not what you want, because listening is much more difficult than reading. So when you learn English, you should do more listening than reading. This is why some people watch movies twice. They watch a movie with subtitles first, then they watch the same movie again without the subtitles to practice listening. Yeah, so this is an effective way to improve your listening. But it's really boring to watch movies twice. And personally, I never applied this approach. It's not for me. Well, today I want to share with you a new approach. This approach is pretty effective in improving your listening and vocabulary. And with this approach, you don't have to watch movies twice. The thing is that watching movies with delayed subtitles. To use this approach, you need a movie player that can delay subtitles. Before you watch a movie, turn on the English subtitles and then delay the subtitles for approximately 2 seconds. It's going to make the subtitles appear 2 seconds later than usual. Let me show you a movie clip so that you know what it's like to watch a movie with delayed subtitles.
Do you mind if I sit here?
No, fine. No, good, fine, good.
That's a big bruise you have there.
Mom!
Lorraine, are you up there?
Oh my God, it's my mother. Quick, put your pants back on.
So what you need to do when watching a movie this way? Certainly, it's simple. First of all, when you hear an actor speaks, try to listen with full attention. Don't worry that you may not understand. You can read the subtitles later when they appear. Well, now, if you can understand the actor, then don't look the subtitles. Read the subtitles only if you don't get it. If the actor is talking really fast, if you feel like you need more time to read, you can pause the movie before you read the subtitles. Now, let me show you another movie clip. This time try not to read the subtitles if you understand.
Hey, Doc? Doc? Hello, anybody home? Einstein, come here, boy. What's going on?
How did you do? Were you able to understand the clip without reading the subtitles? If you had to read the subtitles, that's okay. For most English students, movies are really difficult to understand. Actually, even native speakers occasionally have trouble understanding movies. So in the beginning you might have to read subtitles almost all the time. It's okay. Listening is really a difficult skill to improve. So make sure you practice a lot and do it regularly. And over time, your listening and your vocabulary will get better. If you want to start using this technique and improve your English, just begin to do it right now. Remember, you have to be consistent on what you do, and don't wait a result right away. You need to be patient a little bit, and in the end, everything is gonna be amazing, because you are great. Trust me. So friends, if you want to learn more, stay over here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and remember, get better day by day.